College spoken. Hello, my name is Bisera Losanovska. I'm a student from 10th grade in Unipo College, Macedonia. Today we are going to present you our project, The Secret Cure for Polluted Environment Hides in the Environment Itself. Nowadays, the biggest threat to mankind is the pollution. There are different types of pollution. One of them is soil pollution. Soil pollution is defined as the presence of heavy metals, toxic materials, salts, radioactive elements which have effect on world's integrity, plants' growth, animal and humans' health. One of the greatest problems that the world is facing today is the environmental pollution, which is causing an irreversible damage to the natural world and human society, with 40% of deaths worldwide being caused by water, air and soil pollution. A polluted environment is a polluted society. Now I want to share with you one Cree Indian proverb. Only when the last tree has died and the last river been poisoned and the last fish been caught will we realize we cannot eat money. The aim of our project is to reduce the amount of toxicity in the soil until the soil is good for plants' growth, animals' habitat and humans' health. We took two soil samples, one from polluted region and one from unpolluted region, to start off the experiment. This picture refers to polluted region Partizansky Odredi, and this picture refers to unpolluted region Vodno. These are the pictures while we were taking the soil. We made an experiment for heavy metals determination, and the results were shocking. The soil taken from polluted region was 3 times more polluted than the soil from unpolluted region. These are the results we got. The soil from Vodno and the soil from Boulevard Partizansky Odredi. There is a huge difference between these two results. Here you can visually see the results by these graphs. We started the research because we wanted to find organic materials which are profitable but efficient in soil cleaning. We found out that eggshells, fish bones and zeolite are good at soil cleaning. Now I'll start with eggshells to explain something. Eggshells are the coverage layer of the egg, mostly composed by calcium carbonate. Calcined eggshell shows a promising removal capacity of heavy metal ions as well as has a good neutralization capacity in the treatment of strong acids. This is a picture from crushed eggshells. As we all know, the skeleton of the fish is an affordable method of PB cleaning of the soil. When crushed fish bones is mixed into the soil, the calcium phosphate combines with the lead to form pyramorphite, which is harmless, consumable and crystalline mineral. This is a picture from crushed fish bones. Zeolite. Zeolites belong to the class of minerals known as tectosilicates. Zeolites are used in medicine, curing different kinds of illnesses. We found it interesting that zeolite can get the heavy metals from the soil and also from the water.
The beginning of this procedure, firstly we have taken soil, and after that soil we have separated it into different cups. The first cup was filled with unpolluted soil and the second cup was filled with polluted soil. After that, we have inseminated individually a seed of radish because we were told that it grows fast. And after that, we have inseminated a seed in each cup. After 1 week, in the unpolluted soil that was put in the first cup, there was a radish that started growing, but in the second cup where we have put polluted soil, still there was no green leaf to be shown. After a month, as you can see, this is a picture from the cups. In unpolluted soil, the radish has continued growing, while in the polluted soil, the radish still hasn't fertilized. So, this is our proof that a plant can't normally grow in polluted circumstances. Our next step was cleaning the polluted soil. As Natalie mentioned before, we have made the research and we found out that zeolite, eggshells and fish bones are the best solution in soil cleaning. After that, we have separated the polluted soil in 4 different cups. In the first cup, we put zeolite, in the second cup, we put eggshells, and in the third cup, we put fish bones. And they stayed like that for 4 months. Additional, in the fourth cup, we have added a mixture of them all. Of course, we are expecting best results, but as we mentioned before, we are looking individually in each material, not their mixture. After 4 months, we repeated the experiment for heavy metal determination, and these are the results we got. There is a difference from its initial value to the value that we have now. The removal capacity of toxic heavy metals by eggshells is considered as fast and most efficient way of soil cleaning. Eggshells showed high efficiency of lead, cadmium and zinc removal, and compared to the zeolite in the fish bones, it is the best solution. But also zeolite showed high efficiency in reduction of zinc, while the fish bones showed efficiency of zinc and lead removal. The efficiency of each material is shown in these tables. The most efficient way of soil cleaning are the eggshells, as we mentioned before, and you can see the results in the first table. The cleaning of a lead has best results according to the ones from European Union standards. The cleaning of zinc has closer results to those in European Union standards, but the cadmium cleaning, in order to have better results, we have to add bigger amount of each material, which are eggshells, zeolite and fish bones. To finalize our project, our final step was the insemination of the radish in the newly cleaned soil, after the one that we were talking about that stayed with the materials, eggshells, zeolite and fish bones for 4 months. In each cup we have put 1 seed of radish. And we were of course again measuring the time. After 1 week, the radish started fertilizing itself in the eggshell containing soil. After 1 month, in each cup, the cup that was containing eggshells, the cup that was containing zeolite, and the cup that was containing fish bones, also the mixture of them all, there was a green part from radish in each of them. So this was our proof, because now that we have clean soil, we also in each cup have a radish that has started growing. So now we can claim that plants can grow in polluted environment. That's why we have to tend to clean it, and we have to put seeds and to grow them in